Hi Vikings, I wanted to do a quick video on basically skill points. So I'm tapping my avatar and then at the bottom on the skill books. So here you can see that there are three different categories: battle, development, and assist. So before I get into that, I want to also show you the game updated, and there are three different skill set basically that you can enable. So with your skill points, you can put them in different categories: battle, development, and assist. And with the update, you can basically do what I've done and put a lot of your points into development, or I'm going to go to my second skill set and put them into battle. So I can enable a skill set with 200 gems. That's better, so much better than using a skill reset, which costs 1,000 gems. It costs 1,000 gems to set up or reset a new skill set now that there are three. But I've left my third one open because I'm not sure how I want to use it yet. But you can see that I have 208 points to basically assign to battle, development, or assist. So during a kill event, I'm going to use the one I've set up as skill set 2. You can see most of my points are in the battle area. Something that's useful here is this active urgent recall. So what it does is pulls all your troops back into your castle within 2 or 3 seconds, so that if you're out farming, somebody's trying to attack where you're farming, you can pull those back really quickly. Or if someone's about to attack your castle and they've scouted you, they think you don't have very many troops in your castle because you've hidden them in the ruins. This is a really good tactic to basically fool your enemy into attacking you and not realizing that you have all of your troops hidden. So you use that urgent recall skill and they'll all come back to your castle, and your enemy is totally unprepared for basically the troops that they didn't see. Another great thing in the battle area is you can use this active skill to increase your basically the troop dispatch size. And something I also like is this urgent care. So I activate that before attacking a castle that's similar in size or similar in power to mine. That way I have 0 losses. I only have wounded troops in a dispatch. So all of my troops are protected from dying, basically. They only get wounded. It costs a lot to heal them in the hospital, but if you go out with 2 or 3 other castles to basically ambush a castle that's unshielded, and if you all use this urgent care skill, then you're probably going to get a lot of kills from attacking a castle similar in size. It's a great strategy to take somebody out. Last, I want to show a new thing that just popped up since the update. It's this duel. There's only one person qualified to do the duel right now. And luckily, because it requires over 20 million in power, I'm going to go to the rankings really quickly and show you guys. Basically, the only person who can do this right now is Kang, because he is over 20 million in power. So nobody can duel yet until somebody else gets 20 million in power. But I'm going to go back to the skill points and show you another thing. So when I am out farming, I'm basically using the development skill set area. You can see I've got that set as my skill set 1, mainly because kill events only come every other week right now. Of course, we'll be getting into Kingdom versus Kingdom soon, but more about that later. Things that are great to use here are the harvest. That basically gives you all of 1 hour's yield instantly if you activate that. I'm going to show you guys how to activate your skills too, because I didn't understand how to do that when I was new. This is really nice to use, the quick collect, because whenever there's like the Tournament of Lords event, when you need to collect resources, this will help you increase the rate, so you can stack these things on your advanced resource spell that you have in your bag. You can activate the magic tower, and you can also use this quick collect to basically boost the amount of things you can collect. I want to show you this one thing. If you're not somebody who likes to kill during the kill event, this is something that will help you farm during the kill event. It basically protects your resources or the tiles that you're farming on with your troops. It protects those troops that are farming on a tile for 3 hours. I actually have that activated right now, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is my castle. I'll shield it up because we are in a kill event now. And these are 2 tiles that I'm collecting on, and you can see they are also shielded because I have used my active skill set of let me pull it up again. the extend protection, so that protects your troops for 3 hours. Mine expires in 37 minutes, so I have to recall my troops before that ends. That way my troops are not open or susceptible to attack. I access that with that skill book at the bottom right. And you can see this is an active skill wheel. So I can actually go in there again and turn it. And these are things that I don't have unlocked or activated right now because I don't have this skill set active. Once I enable a different skill set or reassign my skill points elsewhere, these different skill sets will be activated. So I'm going to go back into my avatar, back to my skill points, and then get back into the meat of this. So down here at the bottom, there's a new one. This is the rapid collection. It'll collect resources on a tile as long as it's not a super tile or a gem mine. You can basically collect those resources on a tile all at once. Going into assist, this is one that I underutilize. I just haven't found a great way to use this. If you have tips on this, please tell me. But this is great for increasing your stamina. You can get 38 stamina points just by tapping that active skill. So if you're hunting monsters, trying to boost your lord level, get more skill points, that's a great way to do that. This is a great way to increase your traps. I found that by having this skill activated, I was able to increase my traps so quickly because it takes so many hours to basically add 300 traps to your walls. But this randomly assigns the highest level of traps that you have unlocked. So you can double your marching speed also for hunting monsters. You can also speed up your marches in the magic tower. That's something else you can do to hunt monsters quicker. And then the newest skill, this is new to me. Basically, you get to consume all the stamina points. You have to kill monsters instantly, a certain number. These are things that will unlock later throughout the game. I'm not sure how many people are able to extend all of their skill points to the end yet. But right now, I'm not able to go all the way to the end, but I'm sure as we grow, we all will be. But anywho, I hope that's helped you guys on learning a little bit about skill points and how those will help you basically when you're using active skills, when you're out in the game. But let me know if you have questions. I'd love to help you. And post a comment, share with your friends, subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you again and make more videos soon.